In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay QuickBooks Invoice with credit card. We'll walk through getting your QuickBooks account ready to accept credit cards and then enabling that option on an invoice so your customer can pay securely online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, plus a few helpful tips to keep things smooth. Start by signing into your QuickBooks account. Once you're in, go to the settings gear icon in the top right, choose account and settings, and then open the payments tab. This is where you connect or activate QuickBooks payments. If you haven't turned it on before, follow the on-screen prompts to connect your business and deposit account so you can receive funds. Activation may ask for basic business details, and you'll see pricing information for card processing. If payments is already active, you'll see your processing status and funding account. Either way, the goal here is to make sure QuickBooks Payments is connected so credit card acceptance is available on your invoices. With payments ready, open the invoice you want your customer to pay. You can open an existing draft or a sent invoice you'd like to reissue with online payments enabled. Look for the online payments section on the invoice. Make sure the credit card option is checked. This toggle is what adds a secure pay button to the invoice your customer receives. If you also accept other payment types in your business, you'll see them here, but for this walkthrough, we're focusing on credit cards. Before sending, quickly review the invoice details, customer email, amounts, due date, and any memo, so everything is accurate. When you're set, click Save and Send. QuickBooks will generate an email with a secure link to pay by credit card. You can edit the subject line and message to add clear instructions or a friendly note, then send it off. Your customer will receive the invoice email, click the Pay button, and enter their card details on the secure payment page. After they submit payment, they'll get a confirmation, and the invoice status in QuickBooks will update automatically once the payment processes. Funds will be deposited to the bank account you connected during the payment setup according to your funding schedule. If a customer doesn't see the credit card option, double check that QuickBooks Payments is active and that the credit card toggle is turned on for that specific invoice. That's all there is to it. Activate payments, enable credit card on the invoice, and send. You're ready to get paid faster and more securely.